Imagine buying a 4K drone for under 200 bucks and it actually looks this good in the air. But here's the real question. Is the Ameta S50 Lite secretly the best beginner drone right now, or just another cheap scam drone from the internet? So I tested it. First surprise, this thing is under 249 grams, meaning in many countries you can skip complicated drone registration. Second, it actually has GPS. That means features like return to home, follow me mode, waypoint flying, and stable hovering, things you normally expect from expensive DJI drones. And honestly, the footage shocked me. The 4K camera is way sharper than I expected for this price. Colors look clean, stabilization is decent and low wind, and for TikTok, YouTube Shorts, or travel videos, it's more than enough. Battery life is another huge surprise. Ameta claims up to 50 minutes with 2 batteries combined, and while real-world flying is lower, it still lasts much longer than most cheap Amazon drones. Now, let's talk about the bad stuff. The range isn't amazing, wind resistance is only decent, and no, this is not beating a DJI Mini 4 Pro. But for beginners, this might actually be one of the safest starter drones I've tested. And here's the important part. I checked reviews from real buyers on Best Buy and YouTube, and the drone itself seems legit. But a lot of fake drone websites are pretending to sell 4K drones and shipping garbage products instead. So if you buy this, only use trusted sellers. Because honestly, the Ameta S50 Lite feels less like a scam and more like the budget drone nobody expected to be this good. So now I want to know, would you trust a budget drone like this for travel videos, or would you still save up for DJI? Comment below, and if you want more honest gadget reviews without the fake hype, hit subscribe before you fly away.